Hello kids, welcome to my video. Let's learn some colors. We have some colors. Green color, light green. Orange, orange color. Violet color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Red color. Brown color, brown. Yellow color. Okay. We have one marker. We have two markers. We have three markers. We have four markers. 5 markers. 6 markers. And 7 markers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's start. Let's draw a butterfly. Try to draw with me. It is so easy. Come on, guys. Try to draw with me. It is so easy. Okay, let's paint. Wow, I love it. It is so cute. Let's paint with orange. Okay. And then let's paint with watercolor. Let's paint with yellow. Painting with watercolor is so easy. Let's paint another side. Do you like yellow? I love yellow. Wow, I love it. It is so gorgeous. Then let's draw a few lines. Okay, guys, we are done now and we have a really cute butterfly. I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel.